Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix controller or gamepad not working in Fatal Frame 2 Crimson Butterfly Remake game. So without wasting time, let's jump to the fixes. Now the first fix is to enable disable Steam input. So open Steam, go to library, right click on the Fatal Frame 2 Crimson Butterfly Remake game and then select properties. Now go to the controller tab. And then from here select the enable Steam input first, then just restart the game because changing requires restart of the game. So just restart the game and then check if a problem is solved or not. If not, then again go to the game properties, go to controller tab, and from here select disable Steam input and then try to launch the game and check if a problem is solved or not. Fix 2, press the Alt plus Enter keys. So try pressing the Alt plus Enter keys on your keyboard and then check if the controller is working or not. Fix 3 is to disable third-party game controllers and unplug additional peripherals. So other peripherals on your PC like third-party game controllers or any plugged peripherals such as USB devices, pen drive, dongles, phone, camera or additional controller, display, mouse, keyboard might conflict with the game. So remove such peripherals devices and then check if it fixes the problem or not. Fix 4 is to check if controller is properly connected. So check and make sure that your controller is connected properly to your PC. Wireless controller, check if it is paired correctly. Wired controller, try plugging it into different ports. You can also test your controllers on different systems to identify the issue. Fix 5 is to use a wired controller. This is an alternative solution. Maybe game have some bugs or glitches at present and your wireless controller is not working. So if you have wired controller, then connect it and then play the game as of now. Fix 6 is to restart Steam, restart PC. So close Steam from Task Manager, then relaunch Steam and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't help, then restart your PC, run Steam as an admin and then check if a problem is solved or not. As an alternative, you can also try these steps. Go to Steam settings, controller, external gamepad settings, under PlayStation controller support, select enable and then check if a problem is solved or not. So I hope by following these fixes, you can easily fix controller or gamepad not working in Fatal Frame 2 Crimson Butterfly Remake game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.